Welcome back to another video. I'm down here in Orlando at the Orange County Convention Center. Good time to bring you another video. I want to show you the brand new Blackstone Bronco Griddle series. Wait till you check these out. We have 3 new Blackstone Bronco series griddles. Pretty cool. We're actually here beside the famous Grave Digger. 2 different paint schemes on that bad boy. Up first, the 28-inch XL Smoker Griddle Bronco combo. That's a lot of words. This is the 28-inch Omnivore griddle top. What's cool about these tops, the XL, is it's just as deep as the 36-inch. Even though it's a 28-inch, you actually feel like you're griddling on a 36-inch vertical smoker. 3 racks. You can put a giant turkey in here. You can put a 22-pound turkey. 3 stacks. It has a pellet hopper in the back. It's about 850. Let me double check. 849 square inches. Of course, you can control the smoker with Wi-Fi and through Bluetooth, just like you can with the other pellet grills. Completely redesigned controller and display on this unit. Brand new gray color scheme on this one. Of course, you can hide your propane canister over here on the right side. Also has Blackstone's brand new high performance burners, 360-degree heat from back to front and from left to right. A large isolated prep area on top of the smoker. Not 1 burner, not 2 burner, not 3 burners, not 4 burners, but 5 burners. The 44-inch 5 burner. And the 28-inch XL standalone. The Bronco series features the rail system. Cool little details like the bottle top opener. This is the brand new Bronco series, available at Walmart and Walmart.com. It is killer. Mine just arrived at my house in Colorado, so I need to get back home and fire it up, but I thought I'd bring you this first look here from Orlando, Florida. Even have some cool limited edition Bronco pins available right here. The Bronco, 3 new Bronco griddles available at Walmart and Walmart.com. Again, as soon as I get mine set up at home, I'll bring it to you. Stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching. Until next time, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the food from the Blackstone Griddle, of course. Now that's a shirt. Yes, sir. Back home in Colorado, an 18-wheeler delivered this. My wife, she's the brains of the operation. She helped me assemble it. A couple of things I wanted to throw on the end of this video. Freight shipping. This was literally shipped, I think, from Memphis to Denver air travel, and it arrived at our house, 18-wheeler, within 3 days, 3 or 4 days of ordering it. So pretty darn cool. It's about 350 pounds. I uploaded an Instagram reel on a first look from Florida 2 days ago, and at the time of me recording this, 2.2 million views, and Walmart tells us that they are selling fast and stock is already limited. So absolutely insane. Got in total probably about 2.5 million views on Instagram and Facebook on this unit so far. Figured I'd throw that on at the end of this video. Huge interest in this unit. I'll be firing it up here in the next day or 2 and cooking with it. We're getting snow off and on here in Colorado. So hopefully I can get outside more and bring you guys more videos soon. Make sure you're watching my other show. Let's Give It a Try on Blackstone social media, please. Big Florida series right now. We started that last week. Collaborations with Nate and Hussey, fishing with my kids out on the Gulf, and doing catch and cook videos, Florida fish with an orange sauce, a delicious homemade beer battered fish sandwich, all kinds of fun Florida videos. So I'd really appreciate that. Stay tuned and I'll be bringing you more stuff on the brand new Bronco series, and specifically the Bronco series with the 28XL and the smoker combo real soon.